here. Oh, you are like
super stiff.
Yes. Good. Relax the head more. So I'm gonna have you help me, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna turn your head to the right a little bit. Now take this ear, follow me down.
Oh,
wow.
Holy. Oh my God.
There you go. Take your time.
That's just very like surprising. Like,
yeah.
It's like all these flashes of light. It's so weird. Wow, that was nuts. I can't even process what just happened. Oh my God. Okay, keep going.
Head down more. Good. So you see when I get right here, it's not moving. Drop the head more.
Oh, holy cow. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Whoa.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I moved my neck back further than I usually do, and it didn't even, like, nothing stopped me. It just, that's crazy.
Good. Deep breath in through your nose. In. Out through your mouth. Good. Deep breath in. And out. Good. Put your hands on your stomach. That'll be better.
Oh! You pulled my hip here again. Oh. I love Dr. Tubio. Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I thought I was about to get hit.
Well, that hurt. That
or there was like a fly in the room. So right in there. Good.
Oh. Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Okay, I think I deserve a nap right now.
Right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna adjust her neck a little bit this way, right around C4. Nice and quick in this area. You're doing good. Nice and quick this way. Great.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh my gosh, that felt good. Like it I thought it was gonna hurt, but it doesn't hurt at all. I kind of feel like a bobblehead.
Yeah. So when you're quick enough with it, and you just get through and get in and get out.
Yeah.
That's when it's not so rough.
Yeah.
Right? When it's too slow, then it kind of feels a little achy. How do you feel?
Oh man. I kind of feel like my head's not attached to my body right now.
That's amazing.
So good. Yeah.
Down more. Yeah. Really got to be nice and easy about it. So you can feel like when I'm doing that, that's really that's the motion that we want. It's also posterior and there it is. Oh my God.
I was not ready for that. Like those videos does not do this justice for. Nah, bro, I'm lost for words right now. I thought you just took my head off. Oh my God. Whoa, I haven't felt that in years. Oh my God.
Glides, and that doesn't glide well at all. So basically, what we're doing is we're taking the head, even when I go here, it doesn't move.
Woo, that was the exact spot I came in for. Like that spot right there. It's like the other chiropractor did not hit that spot right there, bro. 3 to 5 years of tension just built up from right there. I've done every single therapy you could think of. I've done massages, I've done other chiropractors, I've done cryotherapy. Whew. Yeah, Definitely. Whoever needs to do this right now, definitely come check out Tubio. Definitely need this.
So what we're doing is, remember this part right there that just doesn't feel that great? So we're doing this, loosen the head up and down. Yep. And we're coming across just like that. Wow.
What the heck? I think you're just gonna be stretching.
No. A little bit better. Good. Loosen up this tummy. Loosen there. Good. There it is. This way. There it goes. Here. That is great. He's expecting it. Oh, good. Oh. There he goes. Turn your head towards me a little bit more. Oh, there he goes.
I heard that. I didn't even know you can pop it like that.
Yeah.
I think it feels a lot better actually.
Yeah. Hold your neck towards my hand. Like that way. Yeah.
At first those cracks does not sound good. And it's like, okay, I'm still alive.
Yeah. Loosen a little bit more. Deep breath in. Let it out. Yeah, that's nice. Good. Wow. A little tougher that way, right?
I get lots of headaches.
Back here, sometimes it shoots. But I also get these shooting pains from my jaw up into my ear. Holy shit, that was good. Holy. Okay.
That was better. Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Okay. Wow. How's your headache feel right now?
Yeah, it feels good. I don't have one.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay. Under. Beautiful.
Oh my God. I want to check this out. Yeah, that's really good.
Look to the right again.
Right?
Yeah.
Wow.
100%
Yeah.
left. That's 100%. That's amazing.
Holy shit. That's awesome.
And you're gonna keep everything tucked right there. Now lean back, lay back, head down, shoulders down, all of it, 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 all of it. Yep. There it goes. Good. Oh my God. Take your time. You're good. You're good. You can let it out. It's okay.
That was crazy, but that felt so good. Like,
Yeah.
oh my God. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like, man, I don't know. I know it's probably my stress and my, like, I get tense up.
Yeah.
Like, I came in here like that. Like, now I'm feeling, I feel good.
Yeah. It's a part of it. I mean,
Thank you.
what's making you, that was almost instant, like when you started feeling emotional. What happened?
Honestly, I just feel like every day I'm always like just on the grind, just, I'm doing what I gotta do. And then now it's like, I'm actually taking care of myself.
Yeah.
So it feels good to me,
Yeah. You're not just taking care of yourself anymore.
Yeah.
You're trying to take care of somebody else.
Yeah, I go to school too. I'm getting my master's right now. I'm trying my best, but it's just like, it's a lot going on, And I honestly don't take care of myself like that. Like every day I'm just, doing what I gotta do, and I'm not really doing much for myself. So I'm actually happy I'm here.
Yeah, well, if no one's told you, right, we're proud of you. You're doing great, right? You crack your neck, huh? Mm-hmm. I can tell.
Yeah, that's really something.
Yeah. All right. So the tough part when somebody cracks your neck is just trying to find that tension point of where your body needs to go. Like I have to go even further over.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh. Whoa. Oh, all right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Needed that.
That was the same.
That was a lot. Whew. All right, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow.
You can sit up and face, and we're gonna give you a little bit more time.
Holy crap. All right. Man, I just feel lightheaded, like good though, you know? Yeah.
Like your head's light.
Yeah, yeah. Never felt that before, so yeah. All right.
Oh, you came from Denver.
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna adjust this part here. This is C5. So all you have to do is just let your body just be nice and loose, nice and easy. It's great. It does a good job relaxing, you know?
Wow. What the? Oh my gosh.
That was huge.
That's crazy. That's unreal. Unreal. Wow. Dude.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh.
So here we are. I'm gonna give your body a few tests and a few checks and see how it just wants to move. Yeah, so you're doing good already. I mean, you're not. Oh my God! Here.
Oh my God! I have, from the base of my occiput down through my scapula and my trap, it'll spasm. That actually happened like 2 weeks ago, and had to go back to the doctor and get narcotics, but I don't want to do that. So this is kind of like a last ditch effort because I'm not flying anymore. I'm not deployable anymore, so I might have to have neck surgery.
Yeah.
And so this has kind of been one of the things that we're looking at to try and make it better.
What I'm trying to do is get some space into this.
Oh my God! That was really good. Yep, now I'm not clammy anymore. That's the weirdest reaction I have ever had.
How bad is that pain?
On a daily basis, 4 to 5 out of 10 pain. But I mean, I've ended up in the ER before.
Beard glory and everything.
Oh, wow. Nobody's ever adjusted anything like that before. And like, I actually can feel pliability in
That's
my
great.
trap.
Yeah.
And I normally can't.
Well, thank you so much for coming in. Yeah,
Thank you so
appreciate
much.
it, man. Good. So let your head drop into this hand more, and I can feel it.
Wow. Damn.
Oh my God.
Wait, can I move? Am I allowed to move?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can move. You can move.
What the hell was that? Damn, I was not expecting that. That's a proof that 3 kids is a pain in your neck. Oh
We
my
blame
God.
your kids, especially the 20. How old? The 23-year-old. It's all your fault.
Let's not speak of her right now.
So we're trying to just let her body do most of that work. It's kind of tough because once she gets to like right there, it just kind of gets stuck. Ooh.
What in the world? Should I move?
You can move. You can move. You can move. We're okay. You're okay.
Oh, well, you just dislodged what was stuck.
So she just coughed for about like 5 minutes, maybe 10. Sometimes, honestly, like when that neck moves, like it's like this, people feel like they have this choking sensation a lot because it's just like compressing.
Oh, yeah,
That
I've
throat.
had that actually.
Have you?
Now that
Yeah.
you've mentioned it, yeah.
Yeah.
Like something is stuck in my throat all the time.
And it's not really anything.
Isn't it? Yeah, it's nothing.
When's the last time your neck felt like that?
15 years ago?
Down more. Yeah. Really got to be nice and easy about it. So you can feel like when I'm doing that, that's really what, that's the motion that we want. It's also posterior and there it is. Oh my God.
I was not ready for that. Like, those videos does not do this justice for. Nah, bro, I'm lost for words right now. I thought you just took my head off. Oh my God. Whoa, I haven't felt that in years. Oh my God.
Glides, and that doesn't glide well. at all. So basically, what we're doing is we're taking the head, even when I go here, it doesn't move.
Woo! That was the exact spot I came in for. Like, that spot right there. It's like the other chiropractor did not hit that spot right there, bro. 3 to 5 years of tension just built up from right there. I've done every single therapy you could think of. I've done massages, I've done other chiropractors, I've done cryotherapy. Whew. Yeah, that definitely. Whoever needs to do this right now, definitely come check out Tubio. Definitely need this.
So I just want to see how everything is here. Do you have any headaches, migraines, anything like that?
Sí, un poco.
So this one is in the occipital area. It's a little stuck. Relax more. There you go. So you can feel it. There's no part.
Oh, wow.
That was a ton. Yeah. Remember how you can turn this way? Yeah. Much better, right?
Yep.
And there too. That was beautiful. Just like that. All right. So I want you to loosen this part a little bit more. Good. You can feel it. So we're opening just like that.
Ow! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I mean, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, awesome sauce! OMG!
It's a little stiff, not as. That first one is really stiff, right?
Oh my god!
There it goes. That's that last bit.
That was hurting so bad.
All right.
Can I put my neck back?
Yeah, look up.
Oh my god. I'm telling you, God sent you to people. I'm so happy you were born. Take care, mommy. I'll take care of mommy and dad. Oh my God, that's the best feeling I've ever.
Man, I needed that for real. I'm feeling pretty vulnerable right now, bro.
That's okay. It's okay. Everyone does. I want you to roll this way. This is why you just gotta trust, all right? Roll with me. Roll. More. Roll. Twist. There he goes. Yeah?
Yeah, I swear, man, I needed that. I feel like so much looser already, man. It's so crazy. It's like I was holding my breath like all these years, and then finally now I'm able to just like,
You can breathe, yeah.
I could let it out. Like, it's so like, it's crazy. I'm getting like emotional.
It's okay, man. It's alright, dude. Here.
Man, I can't even believe how. Man, I needed that for real.
Take your time. Man, this is a normal process, right? You letting it out, it's a product. It's a part of it.
Oh man, that was like crazy.
What do you think it makes you emotional about everything?
It's just my journey. Like, you know, I've been reflecting my life on my life. I'm about to turn 50, so everyone starts thinking about things, and I've been doing a lot of, you know, healing work for myself, like somatics and stuff like that.
Sure.
So this just seems part of it, like just things that have been pent up inside.
Let's feel this here too. Here, okay, right there. Okay, relax. That first skull. Good. Relax your shoulders more. Good. Turn. Bend your head into my hand that way. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Golly. Woo. Oh, Jiminy Crickets. Oh my God. Gee willikers. That was amazing. Oh my God. That's the crack I always try to, you know when you try to always crack your neck? No. And it's always, well, I do, but, and it's always that one. Yo, wow. Oh, man. Yeah, fuck you, sorry.
No, you're good. Go ahead, let it out.
Shit, fuck you, oh my God. Damn, yeah, yeah, yes, that was, wow. I feel 10 pounds lighter, like that was, do it again.
Okay, all right,
Do it again. Like, oh, wow, yes. Oh, shit, yeah. Okay. Oh, you know that video when that girl was like, when she like rolled her eyes back,
Yeah,
you know, like that,
yeah.
you know exactly what she's feeling like right now. Like,
That's
yeah,
you.
that was,
That's
yeah,
you.
oh,
It's natural,
yeah,
sure.
that, wow. Now I know, yes, wow. Oh, let me just sit in
No,
this.
no, you're good. That's why
I gotta
back up. Let's let your body just, take it.
marinate this great feeling that I'm feeling. Like, oh wow, like. But then I want you to do it again because
Yeah, no, we'll do it again.
you know, like.
But just let your body just take it.
Like,
no, you're good.
wow, that was, whoo, yes.
That might be the best reaction I've ever had.
That was, oh my God, oh golly, like, oh man, like, darn, like I just, okay, I got it out. Okay.
I think you got like every like positive reaction.
Like it was amazing, yeah, like, whoa, golly, like, oh, that was, wow, that was, okay.
I think it was good.
Yeah, that was more than great. Just, yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
Couldn't tell. Who knows?
Okay. Oh, Jiminy Crickets, wow. Oh, man. I can't get over this feeling, like, of just, I like felt it in my ears, like that, like, okay. Now I got it out, okay? Okay, now I get it. Okay. Wow, okay.